You can create annotated floor plans by adding furniture labels, text labels, arrows, and legends, perfect for 2D and 3D floor plans. To add a furniture label, open Furniture mode. I'll click this TV stand unit and type the label here. Today I'm numbering the furniture. You can also type letters or words. To see how the labels will look, click Menu, Preview 2D Floor Plan. You can also use these handy keyboard shortcuts. Simply press Ctrl or Command plus either 2 or 3. Let's try it. I'll press Ctrl plus 3 to preview my 3D floor plan. Now notice that the number 1 is hard to see because it's placed on a dark furniture item. In this case, we can add a text box. First, select the TV stand and remove the label. And open the menu and confirm that Always Furniture is checked so that furniture appears in all modes. Now switch to Windows Etc. mode and open Symbols, Text, and Lines. Click to select the text box and click to place it. Then type your label here. And you can adjust the placement by dragging it. Now let's preview our 3D floor plan. And it looks good. You can also add an arrow. Simply click to place it on your floor plan, adjust it, and then add a text box to describe the arrow. I'm noting an electrical outlet, and I can adjust the font size here. You can also use text boxes to add legends, like these. Then preview the floor plan, and press here when you're ready to generate the high-resolution version. For more videos and tutorials, go to RoomSketcher.com.